Hey there, I'm Nancy Shah. I'm a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speakers Circle. We started this initiative to help people improve their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. Well, if you have watched any of our previous videos, you would have noted that we constantly insist on asking you to practice your speeches again and again. But the question is, how should I practice it? And today we are going to answer this question. So let's get started. The very first thing that we want to suggest you is to allow yourself good time to practice. You might be able to practice 10 times in 2 days, but what if you do it across 5 days or 10 days? You might practice 10 times only, but give yourself those 5-7 days. Why? Because when you give yourself a time to prepare and practice, first it puts you at ease. If you're not able to perform well on the first day, you still do not get tense because you still have 5 days to practice it. That's point number one. And second, through that, your brain will automatically process it. During those 5 days, you might practice 2 times, but then when you are working or you're sleeping or you're working on some other things, that thought is always there in the background in your brain and you might get some more ideas on how you can improvise it. So first and foremost, allow yourself enough time to practice. The another way to practice your speech is by recreating the setting. Let's say you're presenting online. In this case, it is really easy. Identify what would be your virtual stage area, where you would be standing, how you would be speaking, what props you would need, where would you place them, what are the visual aids, what are the technical aspects, do you have good internet bandwidth and connection, what will be there in your background. You all need to plan these things meticulously so that you can present your talk well. Secondly, let's say you're presenting at a physical place or a venue. You can't go there and practice and recreate the setting, but you should know. If you have a picture of that hall, imagine what would be the stage area where you would be standing, how many people will be there in the audience, how the room is organized in structure. You can always imagine that setting and try to fit in your requirements based on that. This brings me to my third point. The way to practice is to visualize. Can you imagine the entire setup of the room? Well, there will be the stage area. In most of the case, you know what you're going to wear. So imagine yourself in that dress. Imagine the audience sitting next in front of you. If you're going to present a talk day after tomorrow, today, sit back, relax and visualize yourself there. This all visualization gives your brain signals in and tells it that, see boss, I want this. And then your mind will make it happen into reality, because when you actually go on stage and speak, your mind has already processed it a couple of times, so you will feel more comfortable there. So try visualizing. The another way to practice your speech is by using cue cards. When you create cue cards, it first helps you organize your talk, put it in a proper sequence. Secondly, if at all you forget something, you'll always be able to use the cue card and talk through that. And third, when you constantly practice using cue cards, those cue cards will create an impression in your mind and there are high chances that you'll be able to memorize your speech easily. Well, we have already created another video on how to create and use cue cards and we highly recommend you to use that. You'll find the link of that video in the description. Do check it out. Another way to practice your speech is to audio and video record yourself. Now, first we suggest you to read out loud your draft couple of times once you want to start practicing. Secondly, audio record yourself. Now when you audio record yourself, you will be able to observe the words that at which you are fumbling, or the pauses that you are not taking correctly, or the voice modulation, or the stuff that you can still add and update. And when you video record yourself, you'll be able to observe your body language, your gestures, postures, your confidence, your nervousness, the time that you are able to take into your speech, everything. So audio and video recording of yourself would surely help you, because you can always pause, replay, review and I'm sure that the self-evaluation is the best way to improvise and practice. The another way to practice your speech is to grab somebody who can listen to you. If you don't have anybody around, phone a friend and give them a speech virtually, or connect with your friends via any online meeting for some time and present your talk and have a demo of it. Or if you have a physical audience available for you, nothing like it. Grab somebody who can listen to your speech and give you a feedback. And if you don't have any of these options available, well, stand in front of mirror and speak. Why are we practicing again and again? Well, the answer is you need to always keep updating your speech. Because once you audio record yourself, you'll get some more thoughts and you'll be able to update it. When you video record yourself, you'll be able to add body language and voice modulation and other things into it. So while practicing, you'll get some more ideas and you can update it. But of course, note one thing, do not keep updating till the last moment. You have to freeze your draft at one point and ensure that we are not going to make any more changes into it. Well, these were some of the ways through which we wanted to suggest you to practice your speech in a different manner. You can apply this in your any of the presentations, viva or interviews or anything. Also tell us what are the ways you practice your speeches and presentation. We would like to know from you. You can share it in the comment section. Well, if you want to receive such updates on public speaking tips, you can subscribe our Speaker Circle YouTube channel to not to miss out any such updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful to you. Bye-bye.